You guys, what's going on, guys? The trash. Hello? What's going on with the trash? You guys? What's going on with the microwave, you guys? Why is there food on the floor? Not the eggs! Anything but the eggs! They've been out too long. What happened to the gulp station? You can't thaw meat on the counter with the vegetables. No! What else could possibly go wrong? It's everywhere. This is a kitchen nightmare. Hi, I'm Jamie, and this is Food Fight 101. What you just saw was based on a true story. Science has proven that dirty kitchens spread disease. Keeping your kitchen clean is the basic building block for keeping yourself and your food safe. Follow these steps to stop the spread of disease. Throw away trash in the waste bucket that has been placed in a separate area. Germs love dirty microwaves. Take time to clean out your microwave whenever you make a mess. Spills on countertops are great places for germs to live. Make sure you clean these up immediately to keep your kitchen safe. Just like us, germs and bacteria need food to grow and survive. Store items such as milk, eggs, and cheese in the refrigerator to keep them safe. When defrosting frozen foods, do it in the refrigerator to prevent bacterial growth. Dropped food on the floor can be a safety hazard. Pick it up and throw it away so somebody does not slip and fall. Dirty hands can spread germs and bacteria. Remember to wash your hands before and after handling food. Prevent cross-contamination by keeping raw meat and fresh produce separate. As seen here, fresh potatoes are being prepared on a clean cutting board away from any other item. Keep dry foods covered using plastic wrap or airtight containers when not in use to prevent the spread of germs. Not using your pots and pans? Keep them out of the way in a safe place. And there it is, how to keep your food safe in the kitchen. I'm Jamie, and this is Food Fight 101.